After an incredible 10 years, Windows 10 will reach end of support on October 14th, 2025. But if you're still on a Windows 10 PC, why should you upgrade to a new Windows 11 PC? First, security. After October 14th, 2025, Windows 10 will be more vulnerable to spyware, malware, and even viruses. By upgrading to Windows 11, you're upgrading to the most secure Windows yet. A new Windows 11 PC brings layers and layers of security, from malware protection to data protection to more trustworthy apps, and to protect against hacking that gets smarter and smarter every day. Next, reliability. Knowing you're secure is one thing, but it doesn't mean much if your experience isn't great. Thanks to our partners, new Windows 11 PCs have the power, graphics potential, and memory to elevate your experience and save you time. Now, this is especially true for new Copilot Plus PCs, our fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever, being up to 5 times faster than a 5-year-old Windows PC. And finally, compatibility. If you're moving from Windows 10, knowing your apps will work on your next PC is paramount. The great news is that if your apps and accessories work on Windows 10, they should work on Windows 11 PCs powered by AMD or Intel. Alternatively, if you're considering a PC powered by Snapdragon processors, over 93% of the total minutes spent on apps today are compatible with Snapdragon-powered PCs. As for moving all your stuff, you can use Windows Backup to quickly and easily sync your folders, your files, settings, credentials, and even pinned apps over to Windows 11. To maximize this benefit, make sure you have a Microsoft 365 subscription to expand your available cloud storage for seamless transfers. If you're on Windows 10, thank you for being on this 10-year journey with us. I hope you'll join us for many years to come on a PC that is more secure than ever, reliable with incredible performance, and compatible with everything that matters to you, all on Windows 11.